What's up guys, so welcome back to my boring ass channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you what I got on the Coach outlet store recently. They were having a big sale. And I went on there just, to look at things, I blame my sister because she brought a bag home and it was so cute. I really wanted something like that, but not the same color, I bought some stuff. I try not to buy that many things, but I think I kind of went overboard. But it's here. I'm going to show you what I got and let's get into the video. So the two other items I got in the mail, I was recording my reaction towards those two items, but I think it's called audio, it wasn't picking up what I was saying. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. So the first one is this Michael Kors. Future Jessica here. Right now I'm currently editing the video because I noticed throughout the fucking video I've been saying Michael Kors and I meant to say Coach, but yeah, just it's a Coach bag. I was about to say Michael Kors. It's a Coach bag. Yeah, that's it. Straps, this is what it looks like. Has a zipper, blue, zipper on the back. It doesn't really hold that much, maybe like, I don't know, pads, tampons. It's spacious inside. I was using this bag for a week and what I grabbed for it again, probably not all the time. It's cute. The only problem that I have with this bag is I'm not used to like tie this right here. So when I like put my hand, I'm touching all of this and like getting in there. I want to open like this and grab what I need, but I don't want to keep on wearing this bag. So I got this one. This is my first time getting something this expensive, but this was on sale on the website. It was $83. So yeah, next item is this little guy. I got this because I thought it was so cute and little, and I don't carry that much stuff, but you got like a pocket right here, probably for, I don't know, papers, and inside, take out this stuff. It's spacious. I like it. It's cute. You got like two little little slots for your credit card. I would not even put that in there, to be honest. Easy access. You will also have like a little side, what do you call this, a pocket. It's nice. I did put my this one is a squeeze, so my wallet, phone, and my keys. So 3 things fit in this tiny bag, but I like it so far. I like it. It's cute because not all the time I'm carrying a lot of stuff. So this is it. I haven't used this bag yet because of course I just got it. I'm using the blue one right now. So next is this. I was waiting to do this video, to open it. My mom wants to see it really fast. I'm like, you gotta wait until I do this video first. So we're going to open it. Turn this around. Now I ordered 2 bags. Hopefully they're in here. If they're not, I'll be pissed. Okay, so first item. So this is what it looks like. And I got this at the Coach outlet store. So they were having a big sale on their bags. So the original price was $328, and I believe I got this at, the price was $83, and it's spacious inside the bag. You get a zipper, a little department in the bag. You just slide something in there real quick. And in the front, you have a pocket. So you can like slide in your phone. That will fit in there. Here it is. I was more excited about this one than any other bag, to be honest. So here's the bag. I took off the straps because they were like in the way. And this is what it looks like. It has a nice pocket front. You know, of course, for your phone. Yeah, I was more excited with this one. This one looks so fucking pretty. So this is the front. This is the back with the, this one cost $328. But of course I got it for $83. Inside the bag, it's very spacious. Of course you got your zipper, you got your slot holder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this bag today because I like this more than the blue one. So let me just transfer my things to this bag and to this bag. I still have room in my bag. Like, I still have room in my bag. It's very spacious. All my stuff is in there. I could put some more. I could definitely fit a lot more in here. So I'm more happy about this one. Yeah, so which bags do you guys like the most? I personally love this one the most. There was one more bag I really wanted to get so bad, but it sold out. And it looked just like this, and it had like it was blue, of course, and it had like a flower material print on it. I really wanted that bag so bad. I will insert a picture somewhere on the screen. But yeah, I really wanted that bag, and when I got paid, I'm like, okay, it's time for me to hurry up and get this bag. And when I went on the website, it was sold out. So I was so depressed. So in the next video, I will be telling you guys what happened 2 months ago when I got hacked, when the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson video. So yeah, I will try and do this. I will try and do that as soon as possible and post it. And yeah. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys later. Juices Gooses.